What is up, YouTube? Today I am super excited because today is the day that I go get my wheels. Now I've been waiting on them for about 3.5 months and I am on my way to Torrance, California to go pick them up. It's about an hour and a half drive. Super excited, so I'm gonna go get gas and be on my way. Stay tuned. Alright, I made it back. It was a long drive, stuck in traffic, LA traffic. We all know that sucks, but I'm back and here are my boxes. I am gonna open them and show you what I got. Alright, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. It'll be tough with one hand. Dun, dun, dun. All right, more boxes. I'm gonna have to put this down. All right, so there they are. SSR Formula Aero Mesh. Look at the lip. So much sexiness. I'm gonna wait till I bolt that up and I can show you the side view. So much lip there is. And here's my specs. And I got 3 more of those. Yeah. Alright, so first of all, I want to say thank you to SSR for being part of this build. Um, when I was looking for wheels and I came across this wheel for the first time, and I saw it, I was like, wow, that's awesome. It has the old school heritage, uh, the Formula Mesh, with a new twist to it, and it fits the build perfectly because, as you all know, I mean, I have an old car, and I'm putting new technology into it, VR38 motor, among other things, and it's just a perfect match. So I'm glad they jump on board with the build, and I'm truly thankful. And Christmas came early. I'm so happy, and I can't wait to put this bad boy on. So let's check it out. OMG, check this out. Look at that. Man. Wish I had more room so I can show you. But damn, look at that. That's so nice. Look how wide it is. Just look at that. Wow. Look how crazy that is. This is the front. Man. All right, well, those are the wheels. Stay tuned. Wait for the next episode. This is dope.